The difficulties that people encounter, I find, fall into three basic categories. First of all, there are personal barriers. We all have our anxieties, biases, prejudices that interfere with our ability to be able to truly understand what is going on for us in the conflict. In that sense, we find that we are often confused or perhaps even in denial of how the conflict is affecting us. Secondly, there are interpersonal barriers, and these challenges play out as people try to interact with one another. So communication styles, previous experiences with one another, other perceptions of how we might anticipate dealing with each other will interfere with our ability to truly hear each other in the midst of negotiation. And then finally, there are structural, sometimes called systemic barriers that interfere with our ability to manage conflict. These would include lack of time, bureaucracy, roles or expectations associated with roles, hierarchy. All of those are examples of structural barriers that make it challenging for people to be able to sit down and work things through. All of this is within a context of what we call a culture of avoidance, where since conflict is so uncomfortable to deal with, and it's not accepted that working it through in our culture is a positive thing, we tend to fall into avoiding dealing with it constructively.